So this is the ultrasonic sensor code that I had used. So this is simply that code. So here there is the duration and all. This is a simple ultrasonic code that we write on Arduino. I combined this with another thing. So this is the other thing, which is basically the code for one of the idea. So here basically this is the time that I had said that I created an inbuilt timer. So okay, so I just forgot. Yeah, so this is how we are just looking into the time and we are seeing what to do and all, like open, low and high. Then we are checking the time and all. So like this, we are just saying we gave a distance of 80 if the distance is greater than 80, and this is mainly I've integrated in basically I've collated the code of the ultrasonic sensor and that of a timer, and I've tried getting on the code for switching on the relay according to various parameters. So this is mostly the code of it till here. So this is like it, and this was one of the code, and then this was another one that was pretty much somehow like this. So in this, primarily what I've done is I've just initiated an if loop, okay, and with that I'm just seeing whether the distance is greater than something or less than something, upon which I am trying to apply the ultrasonic sensor code, and then I'm trying to find the distance, and then I'm initiating the timer that says that that's here. Yeah, here. Then for the timer I'm initiating a for loop that is timer 0 and the time if it's greater than or equal to timer 2 and all. So here I've initiated the time, so 900, 300 and 120. These can be changed anyhow, so these can be changed whenever you wish to do it. And this is where the timer has been initiated, and once all the conditions are being approved of, then the relay is switched on. So the light is either switched off or it's either switched on or off, and that's primarily pretty much about the code for both the parts, for the first idea as well as for the second. This was pretty much it about my project about controlling lights using an Arduino. I did not have a maker board at my home, so I couldn't really make use of it. And I've always had experience with Arduino and Raspberry Pi. I've done various cool things with Arduinos. So I just making this was like a piece of cake for me. But then I felt that okay, Arduino would be the best thing that would do justice to such kind of a project. Hence I used that to do it. Maybe next time I'll go on to buy the maker board and maybe program something in that as well. Maybe it'll come out differently and it'll be better. So about the difficulties I faced, or what was the thinking process I had. So simply one thing that I felt that I had to think a lot about was how exactly do I ensure that people are coming in and outside. So how some innovative thing like PIR sensor is something, okay, we can put it and just it'll sense that okay, person is coming, it'll switch the light on. But that also has various loopholes and all, right? So I thought that okay, we're using computer a lot, so maybe put an ultrasonic sensor there to see whether we are sitting or not, and then maybe do the further things. So this was one of the things. Now with this, as I said before, there's a lot of saving of energy primarily, and maybe somewhere better for our health as well, and less human effort. So everything's controlled and everything's done by an Arduino, which is the best thing I like. So I have it deployed in my room. So I've had a great experience. It works top notch. There's no problem. So the timer works great, and the relay switches the light on and off whenever needed. As soon as I come sit here, it automatically, just after that 4-second timer, it switches it on. Then when I'm gone, it switches it off, or switches it off on its own. And then about that photo sensor, when there's less light in the room, it automatically turns the light on, and when at some point of the day the light is more, then it automatically switches the light off. So this was all about it, and hope you like it. Thank you.